Hello, web devs and marketing agencies. This is Armando Pena. Today, I want to share an exciting opportunity for you to start earning passive income with your web development business. Imagine getting paid every month just for referring your clients to use our payment processing gateway services. With Blackstone BMS Pay, this recurring revenue stream can become a reality. I know one of the biggest pain points as a freelancer or agency owner is finding ways to create predictable residual income. You pour your heart and soul into landing and serving clients, but once the project is done, the checks stop coming in. What if you could get paid month after month, year after year from your clients? Blackstone has partnered with web developers to do exactly that. Here's how it works. When you sign up as a Blackstone partner, you'll get a custom affiliate link. Simply refer your clients to use Blackstone for payment processing on their website, and you'll earn commission on every transaction they process. This residual income allows you to diversify your cash flow while still focusing on web design and development. Blackstone handles all merchant accounts, customer service, and compliance. You simply refer the business and then earn commissions month after month. Your clients will benefit from Blackstone's secure payment platform, including 1. Level 1, PCI compliant. 2. Built-in fraud protection. 3. We accept all major cards and ACH payments. 4. Recurring billing and invoicing. 5. It's simple, easy to use reporting. Joining the program is risk-free and only takes a few minutes. Just click on the URL below to get started. Give your business the passive revenue stream it deserves. Refer your clients to Blackstone and start collecting monthly commissions. Take your income to the next level today.